What's going on?
It's a little wet.
What are we doing together? We're together.
Yeah, we're fishing.
We're together for once.
Again.
We're going fishing. It's raining a lot. It's cold. We're excited though.
We'll manage.
Hopefully we'll get some fish today.
Oh, definitely.
Well, still haven't got nothing. Dwayne's trying to jig. I'm throwing a swank, I believe, from 6 cents. It's wet. It's cold. Got the kayaks down there. We're gonna keep trying. We will catch fish today. We will. There's Dwayne. Well, I'm moving spots. And switching some stuff over. Throwing the Shad Color Crush 50. Threw a Senko on. I'm gonna switch that out real quick. So we are dedicated, guys. It's raining. It's probably 45 degrees out. Water's freezing. We're going for it.
I wish we were in a boat. That'd be nice.
The boat would be nice. Kayaks are not exactly that fun in this fast current, but we'll keep going.
All right, guys. A little bit of water on my camera, but we're out here. He's down by the bridge somewhere. See if we can spot him. Oh, I don't know where. Oh, he's right there. There he is. In the water. Got waders. It's wet. He's stuck. I'm gonna keep on going. Are you having a good time watching me untangle it?
Oh, yeah, I was hoping he'd cast it, towards me.
I'm gonna hit you with it.
Cast out right in front of me.
I'm gonna hit you with it. Going pretty quick. Hey.
Huh?
Hey, how's today going?
I'm wet.
Yeah?
Wet.
It's not going well. Nothing. I didn't want to wear my Milliken hat and destroy it, so we got the old Bass Pro. Hey. 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 Where are we going?
I don't know where we're going. Where are we going?
We're going to the little creek by my house.
Show the... Oh my God.
A little rainy.
Show the rain.
This person.
People. Hey guys, question. Dwayne and I are having some tough luck on the late fall, winter fishing. Is there anywhere around the Portland metro area that's not the Willamette and Columbia, this road?
Yeah.
That we can go get on some bass? If you have any ideas or suggestions you're willing to share, DM us. Thanks, guys. Hey. Hey. Hey.
What?
What's going on? What are you doing? What's going on?
I'm tangling it because you hooked me.
No. I hooked a big bass. 6'5".
Got it.
Got it. So, we don't know what we're doing anymore. We're literally here doing stuff like this. Oh my gosh. This is what I'm doing. Catching bass. Bass fishing, guys. Bass fishing at its finest in the winter.
Yeah, it's not fun.
Let us know Oh my gosh. Let us know if you know how to catch bass in the winter. We don't. We're losing hope. We don't even know what it feels like to have a fish on it anymore. That's where we're at. Anyway.
We're gonna go trout fishing or something soon.
How dare you say that?
Well, you know.
How about you just untangle your stuff? And whoa!
You almost lost the phone in the water.
And catch bass. That's my cue to stop. Right now.
Oh, so Luke can come. Oh my god, you suck at placement.
That's your stuff.
You should have turned it.
I'll fix it. Living on the edge. We're still recording. So what are we doing on this one?
We didn't catch any fish.
So this is the outro for today. And we'll just do a small video of how we suck at fishing.
Yeah, we're awful at it.
Hi guys. Hi, I'm Tom. This is Luke. It's my dog.
Yeah.
Oh. It's gonna be all about him. So
He's gonna come fishing with us sometime.
we gonna talk?
We didn't catch any fish today.
Speak louder.
We didn't catch any fish today. Sucked. We were wet all day. Well,
I'm wet.
yeah.
I'm soaked.
I wasn't too bad
Apparently my waterproof coat's not waterproof
at all.
at all. So let's talk about where we went.
We went to the Pudding.
Pudding River. The Pudding River.
We went to where we normally go during summer and spring and whenever we can't catch fish, where we go. And we didn't catch any fish. I hooked one.
He hooked one, lost it right at the bank.
Yeah, lost it right at the bank. It literally jumped at the bank and took off.
I had one on for about 2.5 seconds. That was fun.
We
Babe?
tried the little creek by my house. Nothing at all. Normally that's the first time we've gone there and not caught anything. Either together or separate.
It's been really tough.
Yeah, it's slowed down a lot around here.
I've gone by myself 3 times now.
But the guy at Oregon Bass Fishing, his page, he caught 2 real nice ones today, or yesterday? Yeah, yesterday.
Today.
At 10 Mile. So that's pretty nice. We're gonna try to go down there at some point.
I think as soon as we get a little John boat, that's our goal for next year. To get a little John boat. Then we'll be able to tackle more of those bigger lakes, because the kayaks are great, but you use a lot of your energy just going places, so
It takes a long time.
it'd be nice to have a little electric motor to troll around, and then we could also help use the boat to help us create content. So.
And Luke gets to come when we get a boat.
And Luke gets to come. He's gonna be our master.
Come on, bud.
Yeah, that's right. You come to me because you love me more. He'll get to come.